Assalamu alaikum my viewers, how are you? I hope you will be fine and welcome to KSC Motivation. Today our class about draw polygon flower. First of all we will draw two polygon equal size except for the center point of these two polygon, cutting extra part with the shape builder tool. One shape like leaf left it. Copies of these will be set by round and will color it. Selected all copies of this leaf and select rotate rule, placing cursor on the last corner of the bottom of copy. The box will appear and asking angle. We have written 6 here and click copy. Ctrl D pressing continue until the full flower was generated. We will enlarge it with Alt Shift and click or drag. We will group it. Now we will draw second small flower. Same procedure as above. We will take two polygon and take both center and extra part, cut out with the shape builder tool. Leave selected it and select rotate tool and placing the cursor on the last corner of it, right click on it. The box will appear and set the angle. Press Ctrl D continue until the flower generated. Now roll this flower on the side of the big flower with the help of the rotate tool. Our task and flower is complete. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.